Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now in this video we will learn how to install this Oracle VM VirtualBox, and upon that Oracle VM VirtualBox how to install this Ubuntu operating system. Okay, so first of all what you have to do, you have to go to the Google Chrome, and if you haven't installed this VirtualBox, so you have to search this Oracle VM VirtualBox, and here you have to install it for our Windows. Okay, so go to this downloads, and then for Windows hosts it will get downloaded. So I will stop, okay, because I am already having. And then after installing this, it has very simple procedure of installation. You can do it by yourself. You are very smart enough for doing it. And then after that, search for Ubuntu or any image file or any operating system you are searching. For that you have to search ISO file. Okay, so Ubuntu ISO. So if you wanted to so in my case, what will be doing, I will be installing 20.04 LTS ISO image. So you can also install the 22.04 LTS. Okay, so download Ubuntu desktop. So here will be accept all visit sites. So Ubuntu desktop image. So not here, not here. So you have to install this Ubuntu 22.04 LTS, and you have to download this file. Okay, so this is an ISO image of that. After downloading this image, what you have to do, first of all you have to install this VirtualBox. After that the procedure will be started. So I have installed this Oracle VM VirtualBox. It looks like this. So guys, what you have to do, go to this tools, and in the tools you have to select this new. Okay, now you have to give name to the machine. See that I have given Kali Linux as a Ubuntu 20.04 LTS, Ubuntu 2. Let's say I will give here Ubuntu 3, let's say 3 as a name. Okay, and they are saying machine folder. Machine folder is something where this machine will be created. Okay, so you have to give specific region, or let's say specific folder name. So by default it will create by your own, but see guys, I am having SSD, so my SSD limitation is very less. Let's see here. So see that I am having only 250 GB of SSD, so I do not wanted to install these files inside there. So I wanted to create here something like this. In the new volume, what I will do, I will create one folder, an empty folder. So see that I have already created. So you can create a folder easily. Just you have to select this new folder, create, let's say Ubuntu. Okay, so I have created Ubuntu in new volume. See this, I have this Ubuntu ISO image file that we have downloaded there. You remember. Okay, so this is my ISO image file. This will be required. So okay, so I will give the location here, that is other. Now I wanted to install in my new volume in the Ubuntu folder. So where is this Ubuntu folder? It is here. So select this folder, and then you have to select the type. So type is nothing our Linux, and the version will be Ubuntu. So if you are new, then it might be like this, Microsoft Windows 64. But instead of this, what you have to select, you have to select Linux and then Ubuntu 64-bit. Then you have to select this next, and it will ask for the recommended memory size is 1024 MB. That means it will ask you to allocate the RAM to this. Okay, so 1024 MB is equal to my 1 GB. So in my Windows I am having 60 GB of RAM, right? So what I will do, I will allocate around something 5 to 6 GB. Let's say this much is enough for this. Okay, so I will allocate this much of memory to this. So, and this much is enough. You should, if you are having 8 GB of RAM, what you have to do, this much, the half of that you have to give, let's say 4096 or less than that. Okay, so this much is enough for that Ubuntu, and then go. But I will give more because I am having 60 GB RAM. Okay, so the next it will have asked to create a virtual hard disk. Now to create this, then virtual disk image will be created. Will start creating. Now we have to give the dynamically allocated size, and then we have to give this size. So by default it is 10 GB, but I have to give something around 40 to 80 GB. Let's say I will give 80 GB. So as I will be installing more packages, so you have to also install. You also have to give 80 GB or let's say 60 GB. It would be more than enough for this, for practical purpose. Okay, so create. Now it has been created. Now it is not completely done. Okay, what you have to do, you have to click on this. This is we have created. Now you have to click on this, double click. Now it will ask for this select startup disk. That means it will ask the ISO image. So for that you have to select this folder, and then see that this is my Ubuntu file. Okay, so if you are not getting, so what you have to go to this add button and you have to search where it is. So ISO image. So in that case, if you have, because I have already created two, that is why it is automatically showing to me here. But if you are new user, then you have to click this add. So open and then choose and then start. Okay, now you have to select this install Ubuntu. See, you have to select this language and then install Ubuntu, and then you have to continue. And then I will select here the minimal installation because I do not want any utilities or any software. Okay, so I just want web browser and basic utilities. So then you have to select this download updates while installing Ubuntu and then continue. Okay, so this is something like you might get afraid, like get डर जाओगे कि यार ये क्या हो रहा है, e-readings and install Ubuntu, but it's not like that. So just you have to continue, like install now. And then continue. And then you have to give the name. Let's say here is my default name. Password you have to give. Okay. Then continue. So I will stop here, and after complete installation I will again start the video. Okay guys, so now it is successfully installed, and it is saying that you have to remove the installation button and then press it. So I haven't collected any medium, so just I have to enter it. Okay, so let's log in to my account, Ubuntu account. Okay, it is successfully done. You have to skip this, next, and the next, and then. Okay, so guys, one thing you can observe. So one settings are like you have to do. So in the input node, in the devices, so you have to see this in the devices. There is shared clipboard is there. You have to select the bidirectional. So what it will do. So if you wanted to copy anything from here, let's say this is Deepak, Trinity, and this copy, let's see, and you have to copy in here terminal, paste it here. Okay, so that will be done through this. Okay, so what and after that, if let's say if you want to copy something from here and paste it in my Windows machine, so it should be the bidirectional, right? So then again, one thing is there, if you want to transfer the files from Ubuntu to my Windows machine, then also you have to select this bidirectional. Now this much is done. Now one thing is, you can see if I increase the size of this, it is not increase this size. So for increasing or extending this size, what you have to do, select these devices and insert guest additional CD image, and then you have to run this, and you have to give the password, authenticate. Okay, so we have to enter, and then we have to restart this. So power off, select again, then restart. now let's try to extend this. See this guys, see this, how smoothly it is moving. Let's extend the full screen. Let's see guys. Okay, and one more that we have done this what is share clipboard and drag drop bidirectional. Let's see if it is working or not. Okay, so here say one link I will have to paste here. Open the Firefox web browser. Okay, let's say I indicate coder. Okay, control C, and in my Windows machine that is my Chrome, I have to paste it. Let's see this bidirectional. Okay, and the same thing with my files. So my file section is there. Let's say I wanted to transfer something here. So let's say I will go in new volume, and let's say I want to transfer this image here. See this, right? It has been transferred to this. You can see here. See this. So this is the benefit of this. So if you are successfully installed this Ubuntu virtual machine and you have done this setting, so congratulations guys. Please do like this video, share with your friends, and please do subscribe my channel. It will motivate me a lot, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.